This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alissa Nead. Very nicely updated Madrid floor plan with large open great room, dining and kitchen. You will enjoy granite counters, native stone fireplace, spacious bedrooms, laundry with sink and storage, screened porch overlooks expanded deck and fenced private yard. Primary suite is large and features walk-in closet and private bath. 2 additional bedrooms are great for guests and reading room or office. Newer roof, sun tubes in great room, newer flooring. Oversized garage with space for storage, workshop of hobbies. Separate golf cart parking. For more information, review the details below.